She's like, yeah, I like the car. I see myself in the car. So you really like the car? She's like, yes, I really see myself in one of these type cars. Then you got this car, the same car.
That's why you can't ask me so many questions.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Austin, man. Look, today is a big day. You heard me? You know, Carmen we welcoming Carmen back home. Basically, that's what I'm gonna say. You know what I'm saying? Carmen is back home. You feel me? We got this big. We got a little something we gonna do for her. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say too much. You know, I don't want to ruin it for anybody. But I'm the chosen one. You feel me? I've been chosen to be the cameraman. So basically, I'm gonna be the man behind the camera, recording everything. You feel me? So, right now you're gonna get footage of this whole shindig, you feel me? So make sure that you are staying tuned, you know what I'm saying? Do not leave the video, watch the whole video, man. This is very special, you feel me? So make sure you're watching the whole video, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that way you're notified every time I post another video. You know what I'm saying? Do that for me, man. Look, Austin MTV, man, we in here, you know what I'm saying? Well, you got it, boy.
Man, I'm trying to move so fast, my damn head hurt. Oh shit. Sunroof up, man.
Oh yeah, cutting up baby.
Damn, boy, I got a lot of stuff I'm trying to do, boy. Inside. Get that out.
Well, that boy got some other stuff, boy. What is this here? They got the blaster.
Gotta put this shit out for right now. Right here in the middle. Two babies, man.
Hey, hey, you a father, bro.
Father figure.
See?
All right. What is it? But we'll do all that later, so. They go ahead. Oh, shit.
You might well open up a car wash, man.
Huh?
So you might well open up a car wash.
You know what? I'm thinking about doing that after a while, man. For real, for real. Think about, man, go ahead. Get me a car wash. Put the instrument on the side. When you got them creative man, tell them they're trying to get me some money. I don't want it.
It be like that. Corey got everything you need.
Everything I need. But I don't gotta go wash no. I don't got no car wash here. My car wash at the house.
Trade bills and do this for real.
Get it. Hey, so you ready, bro? Like you ready for this shit? Today, bro. Today, boy, for real.
It's very interesting, huh?
You ready?
Don't say you ready if you ain't ready, man. Huh? Don't say you ready if you ain't ready, man.
You talk to people so smooth, man. Smooth, my guy.
Come on up. Agent Hill, you know what I'm saying?
You put a coat on it?
Yeah. It's sock and get all the dirt and solid it up and go. So boy, you see this?
What are you doing, Aiden? Boy, when he got his ball. All right. Quarterback. Check him out. Give me 5. No. All right. We not friends. Cool. Bet.
With my own car club, we know fuck out of they know about them. Yeah, drive man. I said, yeah, look at the air carrier.
We put all in the wheel well in this motherfucker.
That bad boy got the Black Ops 2 tops.
Alright. That goes how I think.
Alright, man, so look, we just getting back, man. They haven't even gotten a big surprise yet, you know what I'm saying? She hasn't got what she's really finna get, you know what I'm saying? So, we just made it to the house. We about to introduce her to her little surprise or whatever. So, stay tuned, for real, for real. Look, like this video, comment on this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You see me with the official Trey Bill's camera, you know what I'm saying? It's been a long ride in that car. What kind of escort is he? We done did like 3 U-turns, all kinds of stuff, you know what I'm saying? So, make sure, I had to turn the camera off, my bad. Just make sure you stay tuned, man, because it's finna get real. You know what I'm saying? It's finna get very real. You're gonna get all kinds of like raw emotions. You feel what I'm saying? So, y'all just make sure y'all here to see it, bro, because you're only gonna see it once. You feel me? Let's go, man. Look. Follow me on Instagram at Austin, Texas. That's AUSTINNOTX. I'm the best, you feel me? Look, but we ain't done yet, you feel me? We about to get it popping. Y'all boys be cool and big chillin', huh?
Watching this basketball game.
But, oh, somebody made a touchdown. Nigga, man, you too happy. Hey, who you used to play for?
Who?
You.
Nobody.
What you doing, Aiden, bro? You got a car? Let me see it. Let me see. Let me see. Look, roll it to me. You ready? Oh, my car ain't got a good engine. You need an oil change. Oh, you fast? Hold on. Yeah, what you mean? What you mean? Yeah. Come on, let me see. You gonna reverse? Oh, okay. Check this out. Watch this out. Yeah. Come on, fast. Oh, look, you finna run all into the grass. Hold on, man. You can't be in the grass, bro. But hold up. Let's just take a second, right quick, and admire the drip. You feel me? Oh yeah, you already know, like.
What's true?
With the rim?
Congratulations, Carmen.
No, serious, like, no, it's your car.
No. It's your car, bro. It's not.
Why did not car?
It's your car.
Go over
Go
the
crazy, go in.
Open the door.
So, baby.
Yeah.
Listen. Who that was? Let car seat.
Go.
So you got it.
Yeah, that's it's so called. They asked you, so it's your car.
You got it for me.
So serious, it's your car.
You got it for me.
What color that is?
I'm being so serious right now.
What color that is?
Yay! So you got.
Go ahead,
Wow.
get it up. Your seat should be a shit.
You gotta know me to Frank Corey.
I'm so serious, it's your car. We're gonna leave the tag.
I mean, the tag don't mean anything.
That do be so. That's the new car tag.
So you got a car. She used that, so you got me a car. So I got a car now.
You remember we shot a video the other day at my dad's house, at my mama's house. My stepdad when I got a car just like this. Brand new, just got it. So we out there, we vlogging. How you like that car? It's in my vlog. Hold on. It's perfect. Her favorite color.
It's purple. It's purple. It's purple. I didn't even know that. I like it first.
That's the
I
house.
saw,
I
I
see
seen
the
when,
sun.
I saw it when I walked to the side, like, you look purple.
Yeah, like a dark purple.
Okay. Purple with the sparkles on it. Okay.
That boy Corey doing it big. Corey doing it big, you heard me?
Yeah. The 10 already. Oh, you did? Yeah, it's got that shit. What's it? Oh, just from a find some nice one. That
Say, Corey,
Huh?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You did your thing today.
Yeah,
I ain't gonna
get
cap.
that shit, you
I ain't
know
gonna
what I'm
cap. I
saying?
wish I had a girlfriend so I could, be in competition with you, do some shit like that. You hear me? I feel like I might could top you, man, but I ain't got a girl to do it with. So you got that.
You can't talk the smooth man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that man, Mr. Smooth. I feel you. You know, I'm gonna give me one day. You know what I mean? Y'all keep stay on the lookout. Watch. Y'all gonna be like, oh, that boy Austin got a girlfriend. Yep, so do. What's that? I'm gonna be, relationship goals. You heard me? So Carmen, how you feel about everything?
I feel, I feel good. I feel like I deserve that.
Yeah.
And I feel like he went out of his way to please me or to make me happy.
Yeah.
So it was pretty interesting. And you as a cameraman,
Hey, look, I couldn't. I wanted to tell you so bad, but I couldn't do it.
So you did knew.
Oh, I knew. Everybody knew. But see, but see,
So I just wanna
I don't want to
like
ruin
that,
it.
you know?
Right. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? Then it's your favorite color. I told him, look, you know what I'm saying? When I get a girlfriend, I'm gonna have to top him. I'm gonna have to do something better. You know what I'm
So
saying?
you trying to go on top of him?
Oh yeah, it's always good for
I
that
mean, yeah, you
competition.
gotta come with your own ideas, like be creative about it.
Yeah.
So you can be more special.
'cause
You gotta you gotta do something that she will not expect for you to do. Cause I was expecting Corey to do like, you know how he had me like walking and
Yeah.
doing all this stuff, like searching for stuff.
Yeah, he did a lot.
Then a car with balloons like that. I was expecting that. I didn't think Corey was that creative, honestly.
I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna take a lot to top it, but I think I can do it though. You know what I'm saying? But
If not, go to YouTube, Google, find some ideas. Bam.
I got you.
You put like two ideas together. Amazing on top of it. Like, I mean, on top of it.
Oh yeah, definitely. See,
Definitely.
I just need to ask you. Just want to see how you felt about everything. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get to talk to you
I'm
since
happy.
I had the
I'm
camera and
glad.
all.
Yeah, I really appreciate you for being part of it. Because you record like majority of everything that happened. So
And I don't, Mr. Bentley don't pay me enough for that. So,
Mr. Billy need to get cut. Honestly, but everything was good. I really enjoyed everything. I'm happy. I think I probably sleep in the garage tonight, just in case. Just to make sure that when I wake up, it's still there. Yeah.
I got you.
But okay then, that's all.
Yeah, that's it. I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying?
You're welcome, and thank you for being part of it.
No problem. Y'all got it from Carmen herself. You know what I'm saying?